Good day, friends. In this lesson, we will simulate our program and observe how the PBS5C block operates. So let's start our system view. And let's start our simulation. And let's open overview. And here open our plants. In plants, let's open DR5. Let's resize our window and minimize this one. And firstly, double click on light block. PV block. And strike PV2. And we also need NV. And let's take NV2 also. Okay, let's close this one. And right. And now, my friends, we know that MV is our output and PV is our input. So if we click on the off lamp, this one is changed to on because we send the signal. Let's check it. Now it's changed to on, and if we reset it, it's go to off. So it's stop. Okay. Set. Yes, now it's resetting. And our PV is our input side, and if we click on our on button, the off lamp will flash and change color to green, if I remember correctly. Let's try it and click on this button. Yes, it's changed. And now if we click the off button, it's also changed. And the next step, let's check our lock function. For this, let's close this and right click on our blocks and choose the tuning parameters. And here, my friends, we click on the operation marks, and here, my friends, let's check the settings and click on lock label and click OK button. Now you see that the lock label is turned to appear and turned to yellow color. It's indicate it's a warning for operator, or we used it to inform the operator that the controlled object is in specific state, for example, under the maintenance or some repair works. And now, my friends, I also want to demonstrate you how to work with the switchover point. It's a parameter that defines the point at which the system switches from one state or mode to another. It's changed from one state to another, and in simple terms, it's changed the condition that triggers between operation modes. So let's click at SWOP, and here let's change first value to 1 and press enter button, and now you see that on the light faceplate here, the first button will be locked and highlighted with a red dashes outline, this one. And if you click on it, you see it's locked. And my friends, let's return to our faceplate for our tuning parameters, and here we will set one first parameter to 1. Sorry. 1. And you will see that our buttons start flashing. SWST, it's mean for the switch status, and you can change the status of the switch from on to off or active and inactive. And the next one is our SWLB. It's mean the switch, the label name. Let's open it, and for example, I think if we add here some text, for example, off lamp on let's check it. And now you see that we can change the label of this button. You can use it, for example, when you do some repair work and you want to inform operator about your works, and you can add here, for example, don't touch, or under the repair, or in maintenance mode. And the last one is our SWCL. It's mean the switch color, and if you want to change the color of this button, you can change it to sleep, for example. Let's change it, and yes, our button color is changed to yellow, and 2 is green, I see. Yes. So my friends, in this lesson we simulated our program and saw how the PBS5C block worked in practice. We learned how to control button state, indicators, and label for tuning from the tuning panel. This block is widely used in operation interfaces for controlling and monitoring equipment, also in maintenance mode and repair mode. And that's all for today, my friends. I wish you all the best, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel.